Dr. Zakir, what is the ruling regarding issues of doubt when one has doubts over concerns that they have over things that they may be doing during the fast? What should one do? How can we apply a golden set of rules to the doubt?
As far as when a person has a doubt that the act he is doing, is it permissible or not? Or if he has a doubt that it will break the fast, the best is, when in doubt, leave it out. When a doubt comes, the best is to abstain from it, lest it may have been prohibited. If it's a doubt and if you don't do it, then it will not be a sin. So it's preferable to stay away from it. But the best golden rule is, Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 43, as well as Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 7. Fas'alu ahal zikri in kuntum la ta'lamun. If you don't know, ask the person who has the message. Ask the person who is knowledgeable. Go and ask a scholar, and he will guide you whether it's permissible or not. That's the best. But till that time, when in doubt, leave it out is the best policy.